Atlas Copco multi-stage centrifugal compressors use integral gear technology, the industry's most compact and efficient turbocompressor design. Our integrally geared compressors are reliable, energy efficient, and specifically optimized to your process requirements. Integrally geared compressors deliver multiple speed capability by placing rotors on separate pinions. Each compression stage runs at the optimum speed for high efficiency. Compressor bearings and gears are lubricated by the main lube oil pump, which is driven through the bull gear for reliable oil flow. The compression process begins with gas entering through adjustable inlet guide vanes, or IGVs, which are standard on all Atlas Copco compressors. IGVs control how much flow is sent into the machine, providing accurate process control. With IGVs, compressor efficiency can be increased by around 9% versus other inlet assemblies. Our impellers, available in open or closed configurations, impart kinetic energy to the gas. This is turned into pressure in the diffuser and then the volute. Gas temperature rises during the compression process. To improve compression efficiency, interstage cooling can be easily accommodated between any of the compressor stages. Atlas Copco offers a range of intercoolers that are precisely matched to process requirements and meet all relevant international standards. In the configuration shown, water coolers are available in either water in the shell, gas in the tube, or gas in the shell, water in the tube designs. High-speed rotors are supported by radial tilting pad bearings that eliminate virtually all vibration, while providing superior rotor stability and smooth rotation. Depending on the application, this can be a combination of radial and thrust bearings. The bull gear shaft rotates on multi-lobe sleeve bearings. Compressor sealing options may include dry gas seals, floating carbon ring seals, and labyrinth seals in various combinations and arrangements. Our range of integrally geared